Hi friends, you are watching Learn to Update. Welcome to the another video of job news series. We have many more interesting job news covered in this video. Before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon to stay updated whenever I upload a new video. And all the links for the notifications which I am going to explain in this video are given below in the description box. So if you are eligible and interested in any of the notification which I am going to explain, you can simply click on that link and it will take you to the further process. And the first organization of this video is Amazon. Amazon is hiring for programmer or analyst. The basic qualifications for this job role and the preferred qualifications for this job role are given here, and the people who completed their degree in any stream like BSc, BTech, BE can apply for these job roles. And this is not an off-campus drive. If you are interested, you can simply click on apply now button and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is Surya Software Systems Private Limited. So they are recruiting for software engineer, and the course specialization in terms of educational qualification, they are looking for BE BTech graduates from the passed outs of 2019 to 2020, and some other details like salary and trainee probation bond. These are all given here in this website, and if you are interested to apply for this job role, you can simply click on apply button and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is EY. So EY is hiring for analyst tech consulting national SAP New Delhi. So analyst IT advisory is the role they are hiring for, and some of the key responsibilities and skills for this job role EY organization is given here in this website. And full-time graduate or postgraduates from recognized universities in disciplines of computer science or information technology EC can apply for this job role. So the people who completed their MSc or MTech or BTech can apply for these job roles. And the next organization is Mobilium. So Mobilium is hiring for technical support role. So they are hiring for technical support role. Some of the details like job description, desired candidate profile are given here in this website. All the details are given here in this website. And the educational qualification should be BE BTech computer science electronics and communication, minimum mark 70%, graduation in 2019-2020, no backlogs are accepted. So this is about Mobilium organization hiring for technical support role. If you are interested, you can simply click on apply now button and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is CareerJet. So CareerJet is hiring for senior data analyst BI. So the general summary and duties and responsibilities and skills required for this job role are given here. So the people who completed their BTech can apply for these job roles, and if you are possesses these skills, and BSc candidates can also apply for this job role if you think you can match those skills for what they are asked for, and you are the right candidate to be there. So if you are interested, you can simply click on view and apply and it will take you to the further process. And the next organization is Accenture. So Accenture is hiring as an event like off campus drive. This is an so here they gave the registration form. So the link for this is given here in this description box. So if you view the job description, they are hiring for associate software engineer, and the qualifications and what would you do, what we need, and some eligibility requirements and some description for this job roles is given here in this website. So the people who completed BTech BE can apply for this job role. So if you are interested and eligible for this job role, you can simply fill out this form directly and give whatever the details, whatever the mandatory details they are asking for, and then submit. Then you will get a confirmation email. So these are the job information to for the day, friends. All the links for the notifications which I explained in this video are given in this description box below. Finally, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that big fat like button and share the video to the people who needs this the most. Thank you all for watching the video, friends. Keep learning.